Now, Mr. NWATA, please, what is happening today?
Mbawa General. When I title ya Mbawa, but now the end of Mbala Walile. This village called Awama village, Bachamba, and what the village also got Bambala.
Why Oje Urona village Bachamba when does Gabamba?
Good. Opalo Biasa, Awama is the last village. Opalo Biasa. Awalile Dr. Awama the last village where the culture ends. Our job now is 20-something village now, 26 villages. But all the Awama Opalo Biasa, Awama is the last village. And in every family, according to Igbo custom and traditional divine, Otunma, Lady, Alite, bottom pot. So Otunma and advantage from the mother or from the father.
Yeah, about know the last Asian village in our town. Really the last bottom and in a meet in a cheap banda Wanili. NWATA got to
Wonderful. Bata that were very big American wonder. Awanabo, Abacho, Abahamba, Abachamba, Mba, Ebido, Mango. Before Christmas, I got back the Mongolo Christmas. Yeah, the only sacred months in our honor the holy in this community. Because immediately Okorosha away parish. That is when the gods of this land named the Umamirawa, they take the titles and other shrines in this community.
Yeah, Dika Onyo Melale no Nimie, Uniki Matali, Arishole, Dinawa, name and the very top of 10.
Arishing on our,
you will get it now.
Arishasa.
Asa.
Good.
So now what will be Asa?
Yes.
Okay. In our band,
yes. I'm a coya Murarishika.
Yes.
Umutiko Murarisia.
Yes.
Umocha Murarisia.
Yes.
Umrakatu Murarisia.
Yes.
Umuri Murarisia.
Yes.
Umokole Murarisia partially.
Yes.
And Awama Murarisia.
Yeah. You when you came by, you will keep me. Can this emblem wow, broken here now?
Yes, thank God for the regime of Engineer Roland Eburue, who revived these cultures. Other PGs neglect there, but remember, may revive. And I remember culture, both in and outside the country. Culture and MZE now through the regime of Eburue. So, other villages, other communities in this world, Okorosha, but all here what they carry, when our Asian village, no, other communities, Okorosha, they stop there. But all now,
yeah, how happy are you today? How happy are you today?
Monya, one no happy. That shows or signifies that I am extra happy, I'm more than happy. When you are a son of the soil, but if you are a son of the soil, today, whether you are in the hospital or you are sick, you must be happy.
Because you will keep my Haga again, Haga, Station Managanawa.
Ahamo, Ebenezer, Ikechuku, Uringia also. But my title name is NWATA, one of our ancient kingdom.
Yeah, God bless you.
Remember bless.